In the last lesson, we have explored the Web API project and we deployed the Web API to Microsoft Azure. Now in this lesson, we're going to see the data inside the Azure SQL database. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is just open this script file. I have attached this file along with this course. So you just need to download this file, then open it. Now if you open this file, then you will see the script. We will need this script to see the data inside our database. So just go to the database. Now in this query window, we will paste our script. Now let's execute this query. And we will get few messages here like these rows affected, which means we have added the data successfully. Now let's go to the categories table and view the data. And here we have few records inside the categories table. Similarly, we can go to the products table and view the data. So we added some dummy data inside our Azure SQL database. And this will make our life easier when we'll consume the Restful APIs. Alright, just stay with me because in the next lesson, we're going to test the Restful APIs inside the Postman. I'll see you in the next lesson.